Hi everyone, my name is Hillary and this is part 2 of the videos describing how to set up the conference programs. This video will be focusing on setting up sessions. So to get to the session editing screen, you can go through the pages for the specific issue by selecting this link right here, and you just continue through the pages. Or from this proposal menu, you can just select sessions on the right here. So once you're on this page, you'll notice that all of the proposals that have been submitted up to this point will be under a not assigned to a session heading. And if you want to limit which proposals you can see, you can determine which final status you want to be looking at. So I've kept mine on all because I haven't actually graded mine at all. So we'll keep it at all, but you can limit that. So before you can do anything with these proposals, you're going to have to set up a session. So I've already set one up, but the same screen shows up if you select Add Session on the top or the bottom, or if you use this Edit pencil over here. So the only things that are mandatory on this screen are the start date and time and the end date and time. Everything else is completely optional. So you can give your session a name if you'd like, or you can just leave it blank. Also, if you want to include any notes, like about location or anything like that, you can include that either on the left, center, or right under that session name. There is also this additional content that you can add in. So if you want to include any special details, you can add that in there. And then you'll go ahead and save changes. And you can also edit your proposals using this edit pencil right here. So in this edit screen, you can choose if you want your issue to show this proposal's default proposal content, which is the submitter's name as well as the abstract. You can also include additional article content if you'd like, and you can enter that right here in the CK editor. So you can select if you want both, one of these, or none. Another option is down here. You can show an optional session title. So this takes the place of that proposal title, which I'll show you in a bit. So you can type that right in here, and you also have the option to add in an alternate location. So if everywhere else is being presented at one building and this is at another building or another room, you can include that in here. So once you're done with that, you can save and return. And you can select which session these proposals are part of. There will be a drop down of all the sessions. So we will assign 6, 7, and 8 to 1. And you'll want to save your changes so that way they actually move up to the correct session. And we'll refresh over here. So this is our issue. This is the summer conference request for proposals issue. So when I refresh this, we'll see that we have session 1 right here with my notes, the left, center, and right, as well as the dates. And here's the content. And then you'll see that this is the name, the alternate title that I gave it, alternate session title, and that shows up right here where the normal title shows up. And the location is right under that. See, so normally you can see that just the submitter's name and the abstract are shown, but you can choose to add in that optional content right there. Okay. If you allow your submitters to include files, if it is a PNG, a GIF, or a JPEG, you can actually choose to have those included in the issue by selecting this publish box right here. So if I select Save Changes, and then I refresh this, you'll notice that my little picture, my little tree picture, will show up right here next to the default information. So this picture won't show if you don't have this default proposal content selected. So you do need to have that selected if you want to show your images there. Otherwise, you're fine. Okay, so this is the page that you can get to. This is my image page. We'll go back to the proposal menu so I can show you. So if you select issue, there's this link right here. If you select this, this is the page that shows up. And you can see that we have a print version, which looks pretty much the same, or you have a PDF version. So the only thing with the PDF version is that it creates it when you come into this screen. So what you'll need to do, so you see that it doesn't have my session on here. So what you'll need to do is select this delete PDF version, and then you'll want to bring this page back up, and you'll see that it has all those. And then if I open this PDF version, there we go. So you want to refresh it, and then it'll bring up the new one. And here we have our new PDF. And then you can print that, you can download it, you can do whatever you would like with that. And if you ever have any questions about the proposal system, you can send us an email at service@veithconsulting.com, and we will get back to you with an answer. Have a great day.